learn that. So the club face from here has got to open up. Okay? So it's doing that as you turn. So if that club was here attached to your chest and you turn like that, the club face is open. So I don't want you to hold it shut. I want you to allow it to open. That way. You've got to hit onto that green. Okay, we're just going to have some practice to start with and have a look at the shot. And then we're going to do some testing. We've got circles on the green, which you can see, but we won't be quite this far back. But no, Hanson, you need to come forward. You need to be on a line across here so we don't hit each other. Yeah, on a line here. Just come up where you want. Yeah, should be here. We're going in a straight line across there. There's no way that we can hurt each other.
What are the chankers?
Well, we can't hurt them, see, they're on the front of you.
Oh yeah, good point. What are the chankers the other way?
They can't get them because you're not in front of them. You're down in the line, you can't go past it. Okay, now, Adam will go along with your viewfinder and just tell everybody how far they are, what they need to know. That's the plan.
我来给你看距离。对，所以你要知道你距离最大43米，你这个位置。OK， 你就记住了，这个是43米。42 meters. Can you speak Mandarin?
Do you have a water bottle with you?
No.
No, do you have one back there?
Yes.
Okay, good. Adam will take you back.
So Hanson, you got a 41 meter.
41.
Who else didn't bring a water bottle down with them?
Okay, you got a 41 as well. 41 meter
brought them
from
down.
the pin.
What's the chances we go get
So hot today. Like yesterday.
There's a wee bucket of water here. When your clubs get dirty, you wash them. Clean the faces of them.
Oh, you're 41 as well. You're better than that. Okay.
a bit scary.
Yeah.
Stand up.
There's sand on it, see that? There's sand on it.
Guys, everybody, I want you to take another club from your bag and put it so your feet line up to the left of the target. Put it across like your feet like this. So it's going across. You've got to aim left.
Left.
Yeah. Your feet should aim left so you can get your club face just going to straight to the target. Yeah, just slightly left. It's not full left, it's just a little bit left.
Why do I use it?
Yeah, now I want you to take a bigger backswing. I want you to land it on the green.
Okay.
So you're going to go back here and go right through. That's it. Use your chest. Turn it back. That's better. That's the idea. Now I want you to learn to stop it on the green. So you got your sand on? Yep. So you're going to learn that. So the club face from here has got to open up. Okay? So it's doing that as you turn. So if that club was here attached to your chest and you turn like that, the club face is open. So I don't want you to hold it shut. I want you to allow it to open. You can use the ball to land softly. That's it. See, that ball's gone a long way high. And that's what you got to do. You got to just land it on the green. So you need to land it short of the first circle, and then it'll just run up there. 'Cause that's 56 degrees, so it should stop it. So don't get too far away. As soon as you get too far away, you start coming from the inside, like this too much, and you'll start pushing it. That's it. Just use your chest. Don't use all hands. Just back and through. Turn, turn. Good. Better shot.
Wow.
That's it.